The Electrolux Ultrasilencer vacuum cleaner with dust bag. The HEPA filter captures pollen, mold spores, dust mite residues and allergens. A clean filter is essential for maximum vacuum cleaner efficiency. A clogged filter will result in poor suction and overheating. The vacuum cleaner has a detachable hose. The high-quality microfiber vacuum cleaner bag catches all small dust particles and is perfect for allergy sufferers. Microfiber vacuum cleaner bags hold more dust and are more durable than paper vacuum cleaner bags. In addition, the suction power is maintained, even when the bag is almost full. To ensure that your Electrolux Ultrasilencer vacuum cleaner always has its full suction power and filter performance, we recommend that you replace the dust bag after 2 months at the latest, or after 1 month for allergy sufferers. The rotating wheels help you move through tight spaces in your home. The Electrolux Ultrasilencer is a compact, quiet vacuum cleaner with a long reach, designed to make vacuuming easier without disturbing others. Pressing this button automatically rewinds the cable,